typing away, checking emails, and then here come 5 o'clock, I put my heels on and I'm out. You hear me? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by WIG YGWigs. They were kind enough to send me a unit to review for you guys. Let me go ahead and tell you, I love my look. So if you don't like it, guess what? It's okay, okay? It may not be for you, but guess what? It's for me, okay? It's for me. And I'm gonna tell you why after my install, okay? Today is also Sip and Slay, and let me tell you, I was already sipping while I was styling because your girl needed a little bit of pep in her step to make sure she got this look together. You hear me? So I do have my Stella Rosa pineapple. If you have tried this one, let me know what you think about it down below. This is my 3rd time getting this one. The first time I tried it, I didn't like it. It was a little lukewarm and it just wasn't tasting right. I learned on the 2nd time, if you chill her a little bit, she hit just right. Okay, cheers. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good things. This for the diamonds, a head full of rain. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you. Baby, you should let me love you. Listen, your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99 and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, 'cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby, you know. Baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserves good things. This for the diamond, a handful of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Oh, baby, good love and protection. Oh, make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you. 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 Baby, you should let me love you.
Okay, so we saw the install, right? We saw the install. We also saw how this joint was sitting out the pack. God dang, she was rough. She was a little cockeyed, okay? I wasn't here for that joint, okay? I also wasn't here for the left side part. Y'all know, listen, the audacity to send me a left side part wig. How dare you? But as you can tell, we went on and slayed it anyway. Okay, yes, yes. So like I said, this unit comes to us from WIG YGWigs. It is their Kinky Curly Bob. It comes with a 13 by 6 by 1 T-part lace closure, as well as 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. It does have the elastic band that you can attach to your unit if you want to sew that in, but I didn't. I just tightened down my straps in the back and put this joint on my head over my wig grip, okay? And that, ladies and Gary, is how you rock this unit glueless. Okay, listen. The cut of this unit is definitely giving me a taper bob, and I'm actually kind of here for it. Some may even consider this to be a pixie cut. I'm pretty sure it's about 8 inches all the way around, maybe some 10 inches here on, you know, the bang area. Now, as you saw in my put down, I did go in and define my curls just with a little bit of product, nothing crazy, nothing heavy, because I didn't want it to be like curly defined. I wanted it to be like bushy defined, if that makes any sense. Before I did all that though, you saw when I kind of like raked it out with my fingers and how it was looking kind of, you know, unruly and all over the place. It was definitely giving me like week-old twist out, and I'm actually here for that. So that makes me want to put some twist in this unit and see how that will look more defined on these curls, because I feel like it will do it. So if you want to see me twist out this unit, let me know down below, because I feel like that's going to look good. I really do feel like it's going to look good. But to keep it simple and sweet, I decided to go ahead and just define the curls that was already on this unit. It is a kinky curly texture, and it's definitely giving that, so I'm here for it. As far as the shedding and the tangling, no tangling, but I did get shedding with this unit when I went in with my fingers to finger rake it, and also when I went in with my detangler brush to kind of define the curls a little bit more. I've learned that you more than likely will get shedding with those type of textures, so you know, there's that. As far as I'm concerned, this is an easy look, okay? It's a T-part unit, no lace to lay down. I cut it real close to the hairline, so if I want to put this joint behind my hairline, I can definitely do that. It's definitely giving me like a little 80s moment, okay? A little I'm not mad at it at all. I'm here for it, okay? You know, history repeats itself, and a lot of little teeny boppers these days are wearing like the mom jeans and the Felines and the Reebok classics. Like, girl, you're not doing nothing new. We already did that, sweetie. Now here I is, okay, doing what my mama was doing back then. Okay, and guess what, mama? I'm not mad at you. Okay, I'm not mad at you. Now I know why the 80s was the time, okay? Do you remember, okay, slaying like this? Because guess what? Now I do. I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at how this is looking. And this is definitely giving me, back in December of last year, I did a synthetic wig just like this. And I'm pretty sure it was by Main Concept, and I really wanted a human hair version to that wig because I wanted the look and I wanted to be able to twist it and things like that for myself. And y'all, listen, like, it's giving me, okay, it's giving me everything that I was looking for in that wig, and I'm not mad, okay? I am not mad. Listen. And guess what, y'all? She's affordable, okay? Affordable because it only comes with this one length, okay? Listen. Listen, you can get some looks with this. I'm gonna do a twist out. I'm gonna do a twist out on this joint because I feel like it's gonna be hitting. I feel like it's gonna be hitting, y'all. But let me know what y'all think. Should I, shouldn't I? I mean, I'm gonna do it anyway, so, you know. It's a look. I feel like I belong on my grandma's stories. Not General Hospital, because General Hospital Sonny, that's my man, okay? No, I'm talking about like Days of Our Lives. Young and the Restless. That's who I feel like I belong on. I don't even know if it comes on anymore, but not the new wave, the old wave, okay? The oldie but goodies. Yes, that's what I feel like I belong on. And guess what? I ain't mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. Listen. Ooh, that's good. Ooh, that's good. What my glasses? What my glasses? Cause like, listen. Okay, it's giving me a whole look. It's giving me like I feel like I should be at somebody's desk. Typing away, checking emails, and then here come 5 o'clock. I'm taking my glasses off, open up the jacket a little bit, put my heels on, and I'm out. You hear me? But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to YG Wigs for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. All the specs as well as my direct link for this unit will be listed down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.